probably three parties who
Yes.
have different goals. And I don't think they're conflicting. They might seem conflicting, but they're certainly not. There's a customer, as you said, the AI is there to try to make them happy, solve the problem effectively. But then critically, and I think this is often overlooked, is the agent themselves, right? Now, the agent wants to make the customer happy. That's always the case, right? And the more the agent can make the customer happy, I think the agent also is happy with this job. But it is a very stressful job. They have to deal with belligerent, angry customers all the time. They have to deal, this constant changing of issues that are coming up, things that they can't anticipate, new situations that they're thrown into. And so obviously they want training, and they want all the tools that they need in order to handle those new situations, in the uncomfortable ones as well, handle them as well as possible for their own happiness, for their own job satisfaction. Agents and call centers in America, I think the average attrition rate is about 40% a year. In some companies, it's 100%, because it's a hard job. And you deal, especially the issues that they get, the easy ones went to the chatbots. They're dealing with the issues that are difficult to handle. And so we are keenly aware of that. And we also, are interested in building AI technology to handle that third party, the agent, as well.